There is a way that you can significantly increase your trading profits on Bybit using AI and a trading bot. I'm talking about something that is not your typical strategy bot, something that's been programmed, that you can use, yes, beats the market, but has its defects as well, let's be honest. I'm talking about utilizing the power of AI, ChatGPT's AI with real-time data, live chart data to be more precise. You see, the problem with typical bots is they're not dynamic, they're static, and sometimes the strategy works, sometimes it doesn't. Well, there's a bot that works seamlessly with Bybit and a few other crypto exchanges as well, by the way, and this bot can plug straight into Bybit, trade for you, give you analysis in real time using AI. And I just have to show you guys, it is super cool. So do hit the like button and let's get straight into this video. There are chapters beneath. Okay, so on the Bybit website, but like I mentioned, you will not find this bot on Bybit. If you go to tools, there are trading bots, but they are your static bots, your typical bots, and we're talking about something a lot cooler in this video. So if you go to the link in the description below, there's a link for the bot. It's called CoinGPT. You click on that, it's a Telegram bot, it's a free bot, and it's connecting straight to Bybit. And we're going to explore exactly how you use it, how to connect it, how to let it trade for you, how to make profits with it. So I've brought up the Telegram bot, and by the way, if you're new to Telegram, it's a bit like WhatsApp, it's just a lot better. You can run bots on it, you can have bigger conversations, community, and it's geared towards crypto traders. It's geared towards a lot of things. It's just a little bit better than WhatsApp. So this is CoinGPT. It's a free bot, and this bot allows you to analyze any cryptocurrency you like in any time frame, give you a stop loss, give you a take profit, of course, a bias, whether you should be buying or selling it. And of course, like I mentioned, this connects seamlessly with Bybit and a couple of other exchanges as well. So let's see exactly how you can use it and how you can let it trade for you. So to use the bot, you just click the menu, and of course this is working on mobile or on desktop, Mac. You simply go to Analyze, and when you tap on Analyze, you're going to see some popular options. You can click any of them and it will analyze it in the default time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, but you can change the time frame to get different bias and different stop loss and different take profit levels. The other way you can analyze is by typing /analyze, and you can type a coin that's, for example, not on there. Let's do RNDR, which is render token, always followed by USDT. You press enter, it takes between 1 and 3 seconds, and it will give you real-time analysis using AI's ChatGPT. So it analyzes a command, and it's giving us a bias that on the 1 hour time frame, it's suggesting a short. It's suggesting a take profit level, stop loss, and you'll notice that it says include your leverage. That's because I have auto trading set up, take trade now, which is the part that works with Bybit and a couple of other exchanges as well. So there are a couple of other features on the analysis as well, just before I get into the take trade, the auto trading, the bot part, which is detailed analysis. You can click that. It's going to show you the indicator values of that trade. You can also click generate chart, and that's actually going to generate a chart for that coin in the time frame that you requested. And so of course, in this case, it was render token, and it shows the indicator values, giving us a nice visual demonstration of what's going on with that coin. So let's look at the take trade button, the bot part, the auto trade function that allows you to send this analysis that is generated with AI intelligence and real-time chart data and send it directly to your Bybit trading account or Binance or no KYC exchange Blofin. By the way, the links for the exchanges, which are bonus affiliate links, are all down below, as well as the link for CoinGPT. Now, what you do here is, of course, we're going to analyze a coin. We're going to use an example to keep it simple, Bitcoin. So I've pressed Bitcoin, again, using real-time data, using AI. It's giving us a trade signal here, a short. And just so you know, take profit is 3.3%, stop loss is 0.44%. So that risk to reward ratio it's giving us is actually a really nice trade. Something like 7-to-1 or 6 or 7-to-1 in terms of risk to reward. So a nice trade indeed. Now what you'll notice here is at the moment it says click here to set up take trade, and if I click on take trade now on this account, which is what you're going to experience first, it's going to say set up now. So you need to set up a secure API connection with Bybit. So I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. You click on set up now and it's going to direct you to a Google form. Now this Google form allows you to create an account if you don't already have a Bybit account, and like I mentioned, you can use 𝗕𝗏𝗻, which is a no KYC exchange. If you can't KYC on Bybit or you want to try another exchange with no KYC, you can do it on 𝗕𝗏𝗻 as well, or Binance. When you select your exchange, let's say it's Bybit, you just click next and it's going to give you the very informative detailed instructions how to create that API connection. I won't go over the full details, but I'll show you very quickly what you would do. If you go to API setup, so on your Bybit account, if you go to the top right hand corner, click on API, you click on create a new key, system generated key, and then what you would do is connect to third-party applications. It's important that you do this all through the Telegram setup, but I'm just giving you an example of what you do. From the drop-down menu for the third-party applications, you type in CoinGPT, which of course CoinGPT is featured. You need read-write, and you need to select unified trading. You press submit, you create your API key, and you put the secure API keys in the form, the Bybit API key and the Bybit secret key. It's as easy as that. It literally takes about 1 minute to do. Once you've done that, you won't have to do it again. So now with the API set up for take trade, it will show your balance. You can see in this example, I've got just under $1,800, and you can click on the take trade settings. This is where you can view open positions, closed positions. You can check your current balance and change the leverage. I've got my leverage set at 10x leverage, and balance percentage per trade. That's what percentage it's going to use of my balance per position, which I've got set at 10. So let's give this a try. What we need to do here is do some analysis. So you go back, I've got some Bitcoin analysis here, 1 hour time frame long. You can see my Bybit account is shown on screen now as well. At the moment, there's no positions there. If I click take trade now, well, it places that trade directly to my Bybit account in a flash using a secure API connection. I can go to take trade settings within Telegram and I can view that open position. If I wanted to close that trade from Telegram, I can do that. Or of course, I can control it within my own Bybit account, which I think is super cool. And of course, the stop loss and take profit from the analysis is also set on the trade on my Bybit account. So in this case, it's set it up, take profit, stop loss. I can go away, I can forget about it, not going to get liquidated. And this analysis has been done utilizing the power of AI real chart data. So it's going to be good analysis using proper levels, proper risk management. So 98% of traders lose money. You will be in the 2% if you use an application like CoinGPT. So let's talk about CoinGPT Premium and if it's worth upgrading. What you get as benefit is, firstly, you'll see there's a daily limit. Now, if you're a free user, you get 10 requests per day. A request is analyzing any coin and then changing the time frame. That counts as a limit. You can click on upgrade and you can see some of the benefits here. So you get no daily analyze limit if you upgrade. There's also no weekly limit. There's a weekly limit of a maximum of 45 requests per week. You also get all time frames. You may have noticed that in the analysis there are some time frames that are blocked. Just to show you, you can see the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes are all blocked. They are for premium usage, and of course the chart is changing most on these smaller time frames. You also get with premium unlimited take trade buttons. So this bot, you can set it up and use it up to 10 times for free. However, once you use your lifetime 10-time limit, you will need to upgrade. But the good news is this bot is very affordable. It starts from just £5 per month. And the other thing that's not listed here, in fact, CoinGPT free version uses ChatGPT 3.5. If you've used ChatGPT, you'll know that that's the free version of OpenAI, of ChatGPT. Now, the premium version of CoinGPT uses ChatGPT 4, which is a more precise, faster, and overall more profitable version, it has to be said, from testing. So you get the higher grade AI as well. Yep, you can upgrade using card payment or lifetime. Card payment starts, like I said, it's just from £5 a month with annual, or monthly it's £9, or you can buy lifetime access with card or with crypto. The other thing I'll show you, very cool, for those of you that are entrepreneurial, if you use the bot, there is a referral page. Every user gets their own link. Using the link generated in the refer and earn section, you can share it with your own friends, community, family, and every time someone uses CoinGPT, when they sign up for it, you'll earn a bonus. You'll earn $10 for every individual that you bring on board. And the last thing I'll show you is the community. You can click on community and join the other CoinGPT users to chat with them. So in my opinion, from all the bots I've used and tested, particularly for the ones of Bybit, this bot is by far one of the best bots, considering it uses real-time data and AI. Like I mentioned before, guys, the links are down below, not only for CoinGPT, but for Bybit bonus, also for Blowfin, which is a no KYC exchange. You can use that exchange with CoinGPT as well as Binance. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if there's any questions in the comments. Of course, you could ask the customer support on CoinGPT as well. Please share this video, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.